Hi everyone, it's Tanya from Cuppa. In this episode, I'm going to be talking about aroma cups. So have you come across these aroma cups out there? I certainly have, and I have to say I've actually seen them not used correctly a lot of the time. So I wanted to talk to you today and show you the reasons behind the aroma cup, where its background's from, and actually how to use it properly and where it's sort of placed within the whole aroma utensils out there. The aroma cup was developed in Taiwan, and it's not as old as you would like to think it is. It actually was developed in the 70s. It was at a time when the Taiwan government was invigorating the local domestic market with the tea. And so the aroma cup was developed, and even though it looks like it's part of the ceremony, a very old ceremony, it actually isn't. So the aroma cup was developed to add a little bit more flair to the tea brewing ceremony. But the fact is, it's actually a very functional piece of equipment when evaluating tea and when you're actually enjoying your tea as well. If you look at the aroma cup, it is all about the smell of the tea. So when you evaluate tea, it is through taste and smell or flavor aroma, however you want to put it. And it's actually the same for anything like in the whiskey or your wines. And that's why I've actually got a couple of other glasses here. People that know me know that I enjoy whiskey as well, and this is my favorite whiskey at the moment. And this is a Glencain glass, I should say. And this is based on the shape of a noser glass for whiskey. And this particular one is a sniffer glass, and this was a cognac sniffer glass as well that we have for our cognac. So you can look at the shape of these two glasses side by side. I'm going to pop some whiskey in there to show. This one is a new, I think Jeff glued that lid in to try and stop me drinking it. So I'm just going to pop in just a little bit. There. And as you can see, the shape of this is, the whole idea is for it to be a little bit bigger around the base of the glass there and to come up to the side to sniff on that. And as you can see the same with that glass as well. Now the idea is to be able to warm it up just that little bit in your hands and then in there to smell. And that smells nice. And it is all about appreciating the whiskey. It's all about appreciating. It's not drinking. This is about appreciation. And it's all about appreciating the cognac as well. With tea, the aroma cup is also about tea appreciation. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to brew up some tea, and I'm going to show you now how to use the aroma cup. And with the aroma cup, you first brew your tea. We'll just bring this to a brew for about 30 seconds. And then you pour it into your aroma cup. But you don't, I've watched people then pour straight into the drinking cup, but it's not actually done that way. So that would be now about 30 seconds. I'm going to pour this. This is a really lovely milk oolong or Jintuan oolong there. So, and the thing is too with the aroma cup is you use it with the first cup, and then as you drink your tea, you just continue to drink. You don't do it all the time, otherwise it doesn't have the same effect. You then fill this to about 3/4 or 80% full. You then put your drinking cup over the top of that. And this is capturing the aromas, because like I say, you're not just drinking tea, you're appreciating the tea. So from there then, you've got that sitting there. And the idea then is to turn it upside down like this. So very strong. Ideally, you should be able to, the suction of the liquid should be able to hold it a bit that you could actually lift the cup up, but I don't think that's going to work. And then you just lift it off. It's now the tea is in your drinking cup, and you go. And it helps if you don't wear glasses so they don't steam up. And you can put your nose, because this is your sniffing cup, your aroma cup, you can put your nose right into the cup to smell the aroma. And after that, you can put it to the side and you can drink your tea. Of course, that's a very lovely tea. And so normally, because the normal standard drinking cups, the Chinese style drinking cups are small and they're quite an open, wide opening, which doesn't allow for a lot of capturing the aroma of the tea. For me, if I don't have my aroma cup, I will often do this to cover my nose to capture the aroma. So not as old as you think, and it was developed as a way of enhancing and adding a little bit more flourish to the tea brewing, but it's also a very functional and very practical way of tea appreciation as well. And it's based on the established theory of the sniffer glasses that have been around for a long time, or the nosing glass. So next time you're out there, grab your aroma cup. You now know how to do it. There's no just pouring it in here. You make sure you capture that aroma. If you're interested in purchasing an aroma cup and you're having trouble finding one, please just message me, email me, or leave a comment below and I will help you. And there is a really good article about the history of the aroma cup and the tea ceremony in Taiwan that was written by David at Tillerman Tea, and I will put a link to that in the description below for you to read more. He's a bit more of a historian than I am. I'm not the biggest person on historians. I am more interested in tea plants and how they develop those aromas and the flavors. So that is definitely more my area. And in the meantime, you have yourself a really great week, and I will see you next week. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. It's free, and give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this. Bye for now.